Honestly, it's such a task to film in an Indian household where the mixie is always grinding. There's a construction site right next to your house, and like it is so annoying. But hi and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a fall related video. I asked you guys on my Instagram broadcast channel as to what you guys want to see in my YouTube, and there was quite a response for the fall related vlog. So I'm thinking of doing it as a series rather than just one vlog, because I was in the idea of doing like a fall related video because I really like the season fall. It's just nice. It's just that it isn't available in India, so we can't really relate to it much. I decided that I will try to make this video as fall as possible. So fall in India is basically Navratri, and this time I'm not invited to any golu as well. Like my mom is invited, but I can't really go because the timings do not match. My friends who usually call me are all abroad, so yeah, for you guys to see an Indian fall edition. Yeah, once I'm done, I'm going to revamp my desk a little bit. I literally just cleaned my desk like 2 days back completely. You must have seen in my previous vlog. Now I'm going to change it up a little bit because it's too green, so I need to make it a little bit on the brown grayish side. So let's first desk a fall makeover. So the AC broke. Literally only the fan is running around. I don't know. I didn't realize it until this morning. It's literally in 18 and it feels like it's in 32. But today I'm actually going for my non-dental related work, and then I'm going to be heading to Starbucks to get some editing done because I want to upload the Korea video as soon as possible. So that video should be up before this. That being said, I got a bunch of stuff from Swiss Beauty a couple of days back because they had like some offers going on, and I actually saw this blush. So the reason I wanted to purchase was because of the blush. I saw this in Prakriti Singh's shop. The blushes were so beautiful at like a very affordable rate. I think this was priced at $260 if I'm not wrong. I saw the swatches and decided that I should go with copper cheeks because coral tones suit me better than pink tones. And then I also ended up getting 2 lip glosses. I already have a lip gloss and I already made a video about this on my Instagram, like swatching this. So this is in the shade Brownie Point, and I also got another one called Mauve Muse. This is more of a pink shade and this is more on the brown. So I really like these glosses, and I was literally wearing it every other day and it's like almost over. It's got like just a few more uses, so I decided I will get a repurchase of this one as well. I also had to get my cart up to a certain amount so that I can get a free blush. So this is the free blush that I got. This is the highlighter and baked blush. So I just wanted to end up getting something else, and I ended up getting this lip liner. It's in the shade 4 Hot Brown. pumpkin spice latte iced, less ice, having less ice, tall. அதில் இது வருமா, லைக் விப்பிங் க்ரீம் வருமா அதுலேயே? ஓகே, ஆட் பண்ணு. And one red velvet and orange tea.
goddess of creation, is omnipresent.
Hello, hi. I was super sick yesterday and I was supposed to film a lot of stuff for this video, but I couldn't because I was so sick, couldn't move, and I had to go out for either puja celebrations as well. And I got back home only at 10 and I was just super sick. Today, right now, I'm going for Leo and literally booked the tickets like day before yesterday. Suddenly the tickets just opened and I got exactly 3 seats, so I'm going today. In the afternoon, I'm going for 2 golus. Yeah, people did invite me and apparently invited my mom. I'm going as her +1. I'm just excited for today, even though I'm like super tired and you can see it in my eyes. I'm gonna go with no makeup because I've been wearing makeup every single day for the past week. I just can't anymore. my battery is like about to die and my SD card is almost full. I'm still with my makeup, but I've been shooting non-stop this entire week and literally I haven't got a day rest, but it was great. I'm not complaining, it was great. I never expected this week to be super wholesome because when I started the vlog, I literally had no content to film, but I'm so glad that I was able to add in so much in here. Just very grateful for everything that happened this week. Sleep, and I'm not gonna wear makeup for the rest of the week. It is so exhausting. I literally don't know how the content creators or celebrities wear makeup on daily basis, like so many times. It is so horrible. It is horrible. This has been too much for me to take in. So there will be a pamper routine video that will be going up next week, mostly by the end of October. Fall themed pamper routine. So we'll see you next time. Bye bye.